In this video, I'll show you how to remove a printhead from an HP 7525 printer and a lot of the similar models. It's also going to be the same process for HP Photosmart Plus printers, Photosmart Premium, all the HP 7500 series, 7510, 7515, 7520, and 25. So what you're going to do is you're going to open the ink cartridge access unit, and you're going to remove all ink cartridges first. Gently remove those so we don't cause any damage. Every time you change an ink cartridge, you should be careful. Now over here we see on the right side there's going to be a tab. Most HP printers are going to have that. Even HP 70 HP like OfficeJet Pro series printers that have 950 ink, they're going to have pretty much the same build. It's just going to be a bigger print head. So we're going to lift this here. We're going to lift the tab, and our print head is now free to go out of the printer, just in case we need to print, like clean the print head. Here the print head is out. If you need to replace it for whatever reason, and then to put it back in, you just place it there. Don't shove it in there. It should go in there freely. Gently put that spring down, and your print head should be in place. Check to make sure that the printer accepted it, and it's going to show a message saying that the cartridges are missing, and we're going to install the ink cartridges and use the printer.